make sure to watch until the end. Guys, today we're at Elora Gorge. Let's go on the track because I'm sure there's something cool at the end. We went on a lot of tracks before. Comment down below if they're good or bad, because I am the best YouTuber you might know. Guys, look at this dog. Hi there, little one. Hello there, little one. It's okay. Good kitty. Good kitty. Oh, don't worry. Don't worry, little one. This kitty is like so cute. You got a good scratch. You got a good scratch. After giving this kitty some cuddles, then it was time to hit the trail. Come, let's go, kitty. The track is almost 1.5 kilometers. I hope I don't get tired. There is benches, so that's good, because I don't want to walk for that long. But let's go on the track because I am so excited. And I like that cat so far. It didn't bite. I think that was a community cat, but maybe we will see on a sign. But let's go on the track and see what's at the end. I'm excited. There's 2 routes. We're gonna go on this one because this one looks beautiful. Whoa. Watch out for the rocks though. Wow, this view is amazing. Guys, come here, see this view, man. This is like a waterfall down there. There's people, and I think we can swim because I don't know. Let's keep going down and see because I am so excited. I brought the right things to bring if there's a place to swim. And yes, I did show you a lot of videos when I swam in a lot of sea waters. And today is a beautiful and gorgeous day. It is sunny out. It's not too hot. It's not too cold. It's normal out. Let's keep going down and keep remembering to watch to the end of my video. There are signboards here telling visitors to use the stairs at their own risk and that the area is not supervised. And I hope there's no rattlesnake because in the last video I did show you a rattlesnake. I tried to make it go to the forest, but I couldn't. So let's go down. This is a steep staircase, so you should hold on to the handrail because if you don't, you might slip and you will fall down. I am a little scared of heights, but that's okay. So let's keep going. Please to subscribe, like, and share to my videos and watch until the end. It was a little challenging getting down, but once we reached the bottom, we were rewarded with a completely different view of the Elora Gorge and the beautiful rocks around us. And this is where our real adventure began. We need to hold every rock so we don't fall down and slip. Oh wow. And guys, remember to put your foot on one rock you see, because maybe one of them is slippery. And guys, I am an excellent hiker by training when I was like only 3 years old. Now I'm 8 years old. Comment down below how old are you guys? Because I want to know. Well, guys, this is it's getting slipperier and slipperier. Well, let's keep going. Well, guys, we made it to the end of this tricky part. Look at this view! Like, look at these tiny waterfalls. They're so cute. Guys, this is the best place ever. As you can see, there are a lot of rock formations happened here. These rocks are bigger and may very slippery, so always stay safe and take your time to explore these nature wonders. The rocks around Elora are incredibly old. They were formed hundreds of millions of years ago, when this part of Ontario was underneath a warm, shallow sea. So when you look at these rocks, you're actually looking at a tiny piece of Earth's ancient history. There's 2 holes there. Watch out when you step on the green because the green is slippery. Guys, I'm gonna cross the water, but it is gonna be watery, so I had to take my shoes off and take them with me. I'm gonna try my best and go up there to the big hole. Guys, I'm crossing the water and that cave is too big. There might be animals, but I'm gonna go in. And the water is making me go over there. But I'm staying on the ground so hardly, I can't even move now. I'm not gonna try to move. Oh gosh, this is much more better. Like, finally I can just rest. Oh my god, these seaweeds are so disgusting. We're gonna go in that cave and then we're gonna go in this cave. Let's go. Whoa. Maybe there's animals in this cave, so let's watch out and be careful because I don't know if there's creepy animals. Let's go. Ow. Guys, I have a knife in my backpack and there might be creepy animals, so I put one in my backpack. So let's see if there are animals. So if animals come, I can just attack. So be secure when you come here. Guys, I'm gonna go into the cave now. Let's go. Oh, yeah. Guys, I'm in the cave right now and it is so dark. I'm getting scared a little, but I am a brave hiker. So let's see what we have in here. Wow. Guys, water is dripping off from the ceiling. I'm trying to go into the cave, but I can't. Like, the holes are getting smaller and smaller as I go. So let's go back down and let's explore more caves. Guys, this is too dangerous, so kids shouldn't try this. But if you guys are good hikers, you can. Guys, the cave was creepy, but also cool. Let's go on the other one. I shouldn't go in here, it's too dangerous, but I'm gonna go in and see what's in here. Let's go. Wow. It'll be fun. Guys, when you see a rock and you slip, remember to put your leg like this on a rock so you don't slip. Guys, it is too dangerous to go in the caves deeper, so I'm gonna go back down because I don't know about this place. It might be like full of spiders. Maybe there's, I don't know, rabbits, snakes living. I don't know. So let's go back down and let's enjoy the view. And it is gonna take a while to get down. I don't know about going in here. People should check it out and see if it's dangerous or not. I'm hearing creepy sounds in the cave, so let's go down because I know ghosts doesn't exist, so there might be bats, so I don't know what to do, but I know what to do in the first place to go back down. Let me show you how to get down. It is slippery and there's a lot of water here and I don't want to slip, so let's be careful. I am already slipping, like, look at my shoes. These were my new shoes I bought. Guys, it is like so cool to be on your own. Like, this place is awesome right now. Come and check this place out right now. And please subscribe and share and like to my videos if you like it. And make sure to comment down below if you are my best fan. Guys, you can hear my echo. Like, let me show you. Woo! Like, you can hear the echo The echo is so strong, and we had to pass through the water skin without our shoes, so let's go. Guys, the water is going so fast, we're not gonna cross the lake anyway. Whoa. Yo, this is awesome. You can't see anything, but you might see like rock and feel everything. I'm gonna try to go all the way over there. Whoa, too slippery, guys. I'm gonna go back on land. Whoa. What kind of spider is that? Guys, there's spiders in the water. Woo! I'm gonna run away. Get out of here. Now get out. There you go. Now it's getting away. I thought this hike was easy, but it's too hard. Guys, can you see the historical David Street Bridge behind me? From down here, you can really appreciate how high the bridge is and how dramatic these limestone cliffs are. After spending some more time enjoying the water, I decided it was time to head back. We slowly made our way out of the gorge and back toward the town. And of course, we couldn't leave Elora without treating ourselves to something yummy. So on our way back, I stopped for some delicious ice cream in town. After all that hiking and exploring, the ice cream was the perfect way to end our adventure. Bye-bye for now. Guys, you just check out this ice cream shop. Like, look at this.